Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're comparing Netsuite and Quickbooks. Want to see which of these giants wins your business? Your business is booming, but your accounting software is holding you back. Do you choose the legendary Quickbooks or the enterprise powerhouse called Netsuite? This isn't just a comparison, it's a showdown for your company's future. Let's settle this. Let's start with the players. Who are the players? Quickbooks. Quickbooks Online is the agile champion, while Netsuite is the enterprise gladiator. Let's look at who they're best for. Quickbooks is best for small and medium businesses, best for startups and freelancers, while Netsuite is best for large and scaling enterprises. If we look at deployment, Quickbooks is cloud-based and has a simple setup, while Netsuite is full cloud ERP suite and it is very complex to set up. When we look at their key strengths, Quickbooks has good ease of use, at a simple ease of use, incredibly intuitive for core accounting, while Netsuite's key strength is power and scale. One system for global finance, CRM, and inventory. Let's look at the price. Quickbooks is affordable, predictable monthly subscription, while Netsuite is actually a major investment. It has custom quotes and implementation fees. Lastly, the vibe. The vibe of Quickbooks is that it looks like your super smart bookkeeper, while Netsuite is your entire finance department automated. So what's the final call? Quickbooks is your undisputed king for small to medium businesses. It's user-friendly, affordable, and gets the job done without any fuss. Why Netsuite? That's not just accounting software, it's a full cloud ERP system. If you're a large, complex business operating globally, the Netsuite doesn't just keep the books, it runs your entire back office. The choice is clear. Quickbooks for mastering your finances and Netsuite for mastering your entire business. So which stage is your business at? Are you building an empire or optimizing a kingdom? Let me know in the comments. If this helped you decide, smash that like button and subscribe for more clarity. Hope you found this video helpful.